How to turn off notes on Instagram. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you wish to turn off your notes on your Instagram, just tap open your application. Make sure that you are logged in and your app is up to date. To turn off your Instagram notes, you can tap on the DM section or the paper airplane icon. At the top, you will see the note. Press and hold onto your notes or just tap on it. After which, you will see the option of Delete Note. Select on the option of Delete Note. This is because the Turn Off Note button is not quite available on Instagram. However, you can easily delete your note anytime that you want and add a new note for you. If you wish to turn off notes from other person, you can just search for the person or tap in the DM section and visit their profile. You can tap on the three dot icon and select on the restrict button. After which, the account activities such as post, story, notes will be restricted for you. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.